Understanding Manufacturing Resource Planning, MRP II. Manufacturing Resource Planning, commonly referred to as MRP II, is an advanced integrated information system that has become essential for businesses, particularly in the manufacturing sector. Building upon earlier progressions in supply chain management systems, MRP II presents a comprehensive framework for managing various resources within a company. This detailed exploration offers insights into what MRP II is, how it functions, its differences from preceding systems, and alternatives available for businesses today. What is MRP II? Manufacturing Resource Planning, MRP II, is an evolution of the original Materials Requirement Planning, MRP, system. Unlike its predecessor, MRP II incorporates a wider range of data inputs by integrating various business functions such as employee management, financial planning, and operational processes. The primary goal of MRP II is to centralize, integrate, and process relevant information, enabling effective decision-making in areas such as production scheduling, design engineering, inventory control, and cost management. Key features of MRP II. 1. Real-time data utilization. MRP II systems utilize real-time data to craft detailed production schedules. This allows manufacturers to manage and coordinate the arrival of component materials against machine and labor availability efficiently. 2. Holistic resource management. In contrast to MRP, which primarily focused on materials and inventory, MRP II provides insights into machine and personnel capacities, giving a more realistic representation of the company's operational capabilities. 3. Closed-loop feedback system. Many MRP II solutions incorporate simulation features that allow manufacturers to visualize the impact of various operational parameters, enhancing decision-making processes. 4. Integrated accounting and production planning. MRP II systems include functions not only in production planning but also incorporate general accounting and financial forecasting, making it a more robust tool for business management. 5. Comprehensive functionality. Beyond the essential components of inventory tracking, master production scheduling, and bill of materials, BOM, management, MRP II encompasses logistics, marketing, general finance, demand forecasting, and much more. Real-world applications of MRP II. Numerous software solutions have emerged to fulfill the requirements of MRP II. Here are a few notable providers. DLMIWorks, formerly IQMS, offers a comprehensive suite that includes manufacturing execution systems alongside MRP II functionality. Fishbowl, focused on inventory management, this software provides MRP II functionalities to enhance supply chain efficiency. Oracle NetSuite, a well-known ERP solution that encompasses MRP II features within its vast array of business management tools. Epicor provides robust manufacturing solutions that incorporate MRP II capabilities for better production management and planning. These programs help businesses manage every phase of their operations, from raw materials procurement to final product delivery. Differences between MRP and MRP II. While MRP systems were groundbreaking in the early days of software-based management systems, MRP II has taken their foundational capabilities and enhanced them significantly. Core differences. Feature MRP II. Focus material planning, comprehensive resource planning. Input variables minimal, mainly inventory data, extensive, machine capacity, labor availability, sales forecasts. Feedback system generally lacks feedback features, simulation and feedback loops. Scope of functionality limited to scheduling and inventory tracking, encompasses production, logistics, accounting, and more. MRP II provides a more thorough and practical approach to manufacturing logistics, addressing situations and variables that MRP systems cannot manage effectively. From MRP II to ERP. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, systems, which are the successors to both MRP and MRP II, integrate broad company functions beyond just manufacturing into one cohesive platform. ERPs encompass areas such as human resources, customer relationship management, and finance, streamlining operations across the board. In this way, MRP II serves as a critical component of the broader ERP architecture. Key distinctions between MRP II and ERP. Scope. While MRP II focuses heavily on manufacturing processes, ERP systems address the entire operational landscape of an organization. Integration. ERP solutions integrate various business functions into a unified system, allowing for enhanced data sharing that encompasses marketing, sales forecasts, and financial management. Conclusion. Manufacturing resource planning, MRP II, plays a crucial role in modern manufacturing by enabling companies to efficiently manage their resources and streamline production processes. As a more advanced evolution of MRP systems, MRP II incorporates a wider range of functionalities, making it indispensable in today's dynamic business environment. The continuing integration of MRP II within increasingly sophisticated ERP systems reflects its lasting impact and adaptability in helping businesses optimize their operational effectiveness.